everyone, it's Kiana and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different than usual just because it's going to be more of like a chill, laid back vlog where I'm just kind of getting organized. I'm going to be opening some packages that I have received because I have a very busy weekend coming up and I'm so happy and so excited about it. The little surprise trip is I'm going to Vegas this weekend, which is honestly weird to say because I've never been to Vegas and also I'm not 21. So long story short, I wasn't actually planning on going to this event or anything just because I was kind of in like a bad place when it came to like relationships and just like guys in general because of my ex and stuff like that. Don't want to get too like into that topic right now, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Things haven't been that great lately and I just thought, why not? I might as well just go to Vegas and distract myself. I'm super excited for that. It's actually with a fraternity here at SDSU, so hopefully you guys don't mind like a chill vlog. I'm excited, I'm looking forward to it, but basically I have like a lot of things to get done before I go because I do have like a final exam thing on Friday, so gotta study for that. That's basically the recap of this week. That's all I'm gonna be doing for this vlog. FabFitFun sent me another box and I'm so excited that they decided to send me this because I love FabFitFun and I feel like they've been gaining so much traction in the past year and I actually would love to work for them, but I don't live in LA, so the exciting thing that I want to open on camera today is my spring FabFitFun box. I love FabFitFun, so obviously I wasn't going to turn this offer down. They wanted to send me another box that I could open on camera, and that's what I'm doing today. Yeah, this box is literally so adorable. I love yellow. So basically, if you guys aren't familiar with FabFitFun, they are a seasonal subscription box, full-size fashion, beauty, and skincare, also fitness-related items. The best thing about it is that it's literally $200 worth of products in there. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing in here is actually a HelloFresh gift card for $50. That's actually really cool because I really need some food up in here since I'm broke and I haven't been buying anything lately. I've been just living off of bagels and cream cheese. This will be really cool. I actually really want to work with HelloFresh. I think I might work with them. Next thing that is in this box is a robe from Show Me Your Moo. Anyway, this is literally such a cute print. I love floral print and I've honestly been needing a robe. The next thing that I'm seeing in here is a body lotion, and I love body lotion because my body is so dry, especially because it's been so cold and dry lately, so I've been just flaking everywhere. That was a little too much information. Literally, my hands have been cracking like crazy and bleeding. This is what it looks like. Excuse my really gross nails. This has mandarin, orange, some other thing that I do not know how to pronounce. I'm super excited to try this because it's really fruity and I love fruity things. Like, fruity is my thing. Ooh, okay, so the next thing that I'm seeing in here is actually this brand right here. I think it's called Way. It's actually leave-in conditioner, which I've been needing. I've seen Urban Outfitters carry this brand before, but it's really popular. I'm super excited to use this. Champagne charcoal scrub. First of all, this packaging is so cute. Sooner or later, it's gonna be bikini time and my skin definitely needs to be like exfoliated, so I'm gonna be definitely using this charcoal scrub. Okay, the next thing is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage eye depuffing gel. As you can tell, because I never get sleep, I've been going to bed at like 4 a.m, which is really bad, but I've been going out lately and we haven't been getting back to like 3 or 4. I feel like this will be really good for me. I'm really looking forward to using this. Okay, the next thing is perfect because I love jumping ropes. I used to jump rope when I was a kid, like in those little competitions and stuff where you do like the double dutch. This came with a jump rope and that's super exciting because jump rope is such a good like exercise. It's a great workout, and this is like one of the really thin ones that'll like really go fast, so we love that. Next thing are a pair of sunglasses. It's funny, this company actually reached out to work with me before and I didn't respond in time and they didn't want to work with me anymore. I look like a bitch. So the last thing in this box is a S'well bottle, and this one is so cute because it's like a peach color and it has little whales on it. I do have an original S'well bottle, but it's always great to have another reusable water bottle. So that wraps up everything in this FabFitFun box. I'm super excited about everything in this box. Like I said, if you guys are wanting to buy this box, you can use my code Kiana10 for $10 off of your order. FabFitFun's also letting you customize your boxes now, so there are other things you can choose from. So yeah, that wraps up everything in this box. What is up, guys? It is Wednesday and right now I'm editing this vlog actually, and I've been munching on these mochi nuggets from Trader Joe's. If you haven't tried them, you really should because you wouldn't really think they're good, but they're super good. I have an addiction. So if you know me, I don't really go to formal events ever because I literally don't have a life. Thus, I have no dresses for any kind of occasion, so I had to rush order because this whole thing was so last minute. I really want to show you guys what I got because I don't know. I just thought I'd show you. Just because this vlog is like me getting prepared for Vegas and stuff. It's literally the shortest trip ever, but you know, I'm still gonna show you. So I ended up buying 2 things because I needed a backup just in case this one didn't work, and I'm really glad that I bought the backup. So we have the first set right here. This is super cute and I really wanted it to work. Ultimately I decided it's too impractical, so I'm not going to, but it's really cute. It's literally like this little crop top thing. I'm an extra small at the waist, but then my broad shoulders makes me just like bigger on top, obviously. So the top's a little tight and I'm not trying to bust out of it on the dance floor. Basically, yeah, it's not gonna work. But this is the skirt. It's a high-waisted slit skirt. It's really cute, very classy, and just super Vegas-y. I got this in an extra small. This is just a plain black bodycon dress. It has some like ruching in here, which is nice because I'm gonna be eating good. It's off the shoulder. It's very simple, but I'm excited to wear it, and it's super thick and like comfortable. So yeah, those are the things that I got from Fashion Nova. Thought I'd just share those with you guys. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up this whole vlog. I know it's very short and probably pretty boring, but hopefully it wasn't too boring. I just really wanted to update you guys on where I'm at because I haven't been checking in that often. Trying to turn things around, trying to be positive about everything. So that is the update on my life. I have 3 exams next week, so wish me luck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I really need to study now, so I will see you guys in my next video.